Hi and welcome to another video on mbrTech YouTube channel. In today's video I will talk about Sudio FEM earbuds and 7 things I like about them. This is a different type of video than I usually make, so let me know your opinion about it in the comment section. After a few weeks of using these earbuds, I'm impressed and I will try to share my opinion with you. Right now, Sudio is offering free crossbody pouch if you buy something on their website, so don't forget to check the links in the description and to use my 15% discount code while ordering just for my viewers. The first thing I will talk about is the design of these earbuds. As expected, FEM earbuds are feeling really premium in the hands and they feel very well built and quality. I like this design because it looks different and you can recognize them alongside other earbuds. I'm always a fan of simple designs and Sudio made FEM look nice in this black color. There are a lot of features included in these earbuds and no one shouldn't complain about the design. Once you insert these earbuds in your ears, they fit very well and there is no chance of falling out from your ears. Also, there are additional tips if you want to fit your ears even better, exactly 4 additional pairs of them. They are very comfortable and easily changeable, which makes these earbuds to stick in your ears perfectly. They fit so well that you can't even hear someone talking next to you. The second thing I like is a portable case and battery life of FEM earbuds. The charging process is simple and easy. Instead of charging your earbuds, you need to charge the portable case via USB Type-C cable and the case will charge your earbuds once you insert them into the case. The single charge of earbuds will give you around 6 hours of playtime and the total 20 hours of playtime when you fully charge the case, which means that portable case gives you almost 4 fully charged and you don't need to worry about charging it every time after using earbuds. Third thing I like is how good and simple connectivity is. Sudio FEM earbuds are using Bluetooth 5.0 version with an SBC codec that allows the easy and stable connection. The range of the connection is about 10 meters, which is always a great thing. To connect them, just remove the earbuds from the case and they will automatically turn the Bluetooth on. Find them in your Bluetooth list and just connect. Also, there is an option to connect just one earbud. If you want to do that, just remove one earbud from the case and you are ready. I didn't have any problem while using these earbuds. The connection is very stable even if I move from my streaming device for a few meters. The next thing I like about Sudio FEM are touch controls integrated into both earbuds. This is a great thing because you don't even need to use your streaming device to control audio. You can change music, stop or play music and even answer calls. By tapping earbuds one time, you play or stop music. By tapping the right earbud 2 times, you switch to the next song. But by tapping the left earbud 2 times, you switch to the previous song. But there is a thing I didn't like about these touch controls and it is about increasing and decreasing volume. You need to tap 3 times the right earbud to increase it and 3 times left earbud if you want to decrease it. It is kinda boring to tap it 3 times every time you want to change the volume, especially if you need to change it a lot. The easier solution I would like to have on these earbuds is to just hold the touch sensor until I reach the volume I need instead of touching it that much. But after all, the touch controls are really great thing and they make Sudio FEM even more usable and more premium. The next thing I like is the microphone system integrated into Sudio FEM. I never tried any earbuds with this system before and it was a great experience if you want to use these earbuds for making and answering your calls. The microphone system in Sudio FEM features 4 microphones installed to enable incredible call quality. The voice is just insane and so clear, and you would not even want to use your smartphone for calls again. With this microphone system, touch controls and compatibility with the voice assistant on your smartphone, Sudio brings these earbuds to be on the whole new level for people who are in business and they make a lot of calls in one day. Let's switch to the next thing. This will be most useful for people who want to use these earbuds for sports activities. Sudio FEM earbuds are IPX5 rated, which means they are splash, rain and sleet proof. This is always a great thing even if you didn't plan to use them for some sport activity. You don't need to worry about rain if you still want to use them on rainy days. Premium earbuds should always have some kind of protection and it is nice that Sudio pays attention to these things. The last thing I will talk about is the sound quality of Sudio FEM. This is maybe the best thing about these earbuds. Even at the highest volume, I'm just impressed by the sound quality. The sound is so clear and nice that I just don't want to remove them from my ears. All the Sudio products are premium and very well built, but this is simply the whole new level. Once you insert them, you don't mind about the outside world, you just want to listen to your favorite songs until the battery is dead. I tried a lot of Sudio products, but for me this is something special. Great job from Sudio. That's it for this video. Let me know in the comment section what you think about Sudio FEM, and also don't forget to support me and my channel. You can't make mistake by ordering your pair of Sudio FEM earbuds. They are just amazing and I think no one will complain about them. Also, Sudio offers 1-year warranty if you buy them to prove their premium and quality build. Don't forget to check the links in the description and to use the discount code. Thank you for watching.